Brother, no quanto, Catana, Felua, Bataman, on any other. Sister, no qualia, and I fell over Bataman on any other. And then I'm a Felua, given you, what I heard in there. And then I'm a Felua, what I'm a go, what I need. And then I'm a Felua, what I heard in there. And enough of what I'll live up with me, or Jan, what I need. I got to go now back with me, Unaga, or Seno, Rotano. I got to go now back with Unaga, or Seno, Ugumeri eno, Ugumeri enigo. Ina weni pata ma we igwe ikweme. Kebali bao, ame numa yunuka. Ame numata, ame numa yunuka osime. Uwago mefona o.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. More now join me congratulate Destiny Ibagwa. Destiny it all bust everywhere again. Destiny don't bust everywhere like See the big house, see the house when he build. Now wow, this one a king house. More now congratulate Destiny Ibagwa for me, I beg. If you be lover of good thing, I beg, congratulate Destiny, Baba Destiny, Ambassador Destiny Ibagwa, like the king of all king. Destiny, only you one as you too much, I beg. This house na gbozai. I beg, Mona congratulate her. Mona congratulate her, like seriously. When me I see the house just now, the thing shockalize me. Destiny Ibagwa, if I not congratulate you, wait till I gain. Congratulations, my brother. Congratulations, like hey. In fact, you be woman. Because now only better woman, I go stand by man like this. So when man go take a day okay. Because nobody know how to often at this start. Now, correct woman, now they stand by man like this way, be say go they progress. Even when things they get as it be, what see they there. God go bless you, my sister. God go bless you. No side chick go feel remove you for there. God go bless you. You must enjoy what you labor for. You must enjoy them. Now with the see so. This is just the beginning of the success. God go bless you, word. God will bless you, my sister. When you stand by Destiny Ibagwa, no man give anybody me away. So Lord will bless you. Mona congratulate Destiny Ibagwa for me, I beg. See house. People will not spend that many years for Europe. They not build this kind of house. See, I beg. Mona congratulate him, I beg. This one a very big congratulations, I beg. Mona congratulate him. Like. This one a gbozai. Hey! In fact, this one a king house, like seriously, king. Wanna congratulate him for me, I beg. I just got a beg now. If you like better to me, you congratulate Destiny Ibagwa. Make sure you congratulate him, I beg. And share the video for me. Congratulations, my brother. Congratulations. May you congratulate people so that people go see. Congratulate you if you see reach your own turn. That's what it be. That's what they do for this my platform. You know how will they do and how will they roll. So Mona share my beg. Mona share the video. This our brother wants to celebrate. So I know what if it happened that year now. So God constantly bless and at least we need to support and we need to congratulate them because see, they do great thing for Edo State there. If not me, we for not many musicians they would here today. In him they read they try now Baba that him be. Na Baba na Destiny Ibagwa be. Mona congratulate her for me, I beg. I use God to beg woman. This one when me I see just now shockalize me. Mona congratulate Destiny Ibagwa. Or God the Baba Destiny. Or God Destiny. Mona congratulate her for me, I beg. I beg. He worth her. He worth the celebration, I beg my people. Mona congratulate her. So now let this short video I want to just do. I don't want me the video too long, so I beg. Mona congratulate her and share the video for me. Bye everybody. Bye. Don't be honest, everybody share. Oh, hey, this one a celebration. Wanna congratulate her. Bye.
I love you.
Joshua, we have my wife, yo. On la casa. What are they doing? Thanks, babe. Very nice. Have you come to your morning?
Divine.
I don't have time to waste time. You understand?
Divine. But clean your hand. Take it easy. Clean your hand. Good
I'm
girl.
counting the money. Oh, and this morning, Angel woke up. The first thing she said was, "Daddy." No, he said, "What should it be?"
It's mommy of
It's mommy of Valentine. And I said, "Yes, for life." And then Purity said, "Where are you taking me, right?"
Yes.
So I can't wait for them to come and see. We have
Clean
money.
your body. Divine.
Taking my team out. Mide, thank you so much for this. I knew it was either Mide or Isabel or Oma. So I just said Trinity. I know you guys, I do. Thank you so much. Happy Valentine, everyone. Thank you, my boy. Love you. Big. Guys, just in case, calculate from today and twins come. Nobody, I don't want to hear mess in anybody's mouth. I don't want to hear mess in anybody's mouth. Thank you, yeah. Too many complaints about them buying stuff on the website. What in the world? So I don't know if for now they can just shut down the website and see their stuff, so that we can see who and who have gotten products and allow gotten their order.
What the?
You can see a lot.
Afternoon.
No, they didn't tell me they run out of this.
Well, the people came today.
No, they didn't tell me. I sent them 120 packs the last time. That was the last time she even discussed anything with me. Eh?